1st May 2024, there has been a very important and impactful transit of the Jupiter in the zodiac Taurus. And how is this going to impact your life specifically if you are somebody who is governed by a Cancerian ascendant rising, or if you are governed by a Cancerian moon sign in your birth horoscope? That is something that we are going to talk about in great detail in today's video. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I've already posted videos regarding how is this transit of Jupiter in Taurus going to impact your life if you're in Aries, if you're in Taurus, or if you are somebody who's governed by the Gemini ascendant or zodiac in your birth horoscope. And in today's video, we are going to in detail and very precisely discuss the impact of this Jupiter transit on the people who are governed by either a Cancerian ascendant rising, or if you are governed by a Cancerian moon sign in your birth horoscope. But before we start today's video, hello everybody, I'm Savi Singh, an astrologer, numerologist and a Vastu consultant, and welcome to my YouTube channel Astro Vastu Savi. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so, because on this channel I bring to you very informational videos from the field of astrology, numerology as well as Vastu. Like I previously told you in the video in the beginning, that Jupiter has transited into the Taurus zodiac, and Jupiter has transited into the Taurus zodiac after a span of 12 years. Jupiter is a slow moving planet, but also one of the very important planets as per astrology. Jupiter is a planet which directly governs your wealth, your finances, your destiny, your relationship with your children, and how your life in general is going to be impacted because of this transit that has happened on the 1st of May 2024. That is something that we are going to discuss about in today's video. Other than that, there are going to be other significant changes regarding Jupiter that are going to be happening in this year itself. Like on the 6th of May, Jupiter is going to become combust because it is going to form an association with the planet Sun. And whenever Sun comes very close in terms of degrees with another planet, it has the power of taking away certain characteristics, certain power from that planet because of the kind of energies Sun exhibutes. Now, other than that, there will also be a retrograde of Jupiter that will be happening on the 9th of October 2024. So these are going to be certain dates and these are going to bring about certain changes in the characteristics and in the powers of the planet in general, and how it is going to impact each individual, and how are these changes going to impact your life specifically if you're somebody who is governed by either a Gemini ascendant or a Gemini zodiac in your birth horoscope. That is what we are going to talk about in today's video. Now, like I told you, the time spans that you have to be careful about when we talk about those who are governed by Cancer. Firstly, if you're Cancer ascendant, you're a Cancerian ascendant rising in your birth horoscope, for you, this transit of Jupiter is happening in the 11th house of your horoscope, and 11th house being the house of easy income, it being the house of gains, fortune. This time period certainly is going to be exceptionally good for you all. This is going to bring you a lot of opportunities in your career, in your income. You're going to meet the right set of people who are going to help you achieve and get all the goals that you have manifested over the period of time. They are going to help you achieve in those areas. Other than that, Jupiter is a planet which governs your 6th and your 9th house in the horoscope. One good, one bad house. How is this combination of good and bad also going to impact your life? That is also something we're going to talk about in great detail. 6th house is the house that brings you job opportunities. 6th house of your horoscope is the house which directly controls your health and your financial your relationships with the financial sector, be it your banks or people you've taken loans from, debts from. All of those things are governed by the 6th house of your horoscope. And where we talk about your 9th house, that is the house of your destiny, and it is also the house which is governed by Jupiter directly. So now if we see Jupiter is in a very positive way going to impact you as an individual if you are a Cancer ascendant. For you, firstly, this is going to open a lot of new horizons and a lot of new opportunities for you to gain income, for you to multiply your wealth over a period of time. Certainly, this is going to be a good time for you. What we can see during this transit is that you are going to have a lot of gain, not only monetarily, but also if you have properties, or if you're somebody who regularly invests into properties, or if you were even planning to buy a property, those things you are going to see a spike in. If you are somebody who continuously invests in properties, you are going to get fruitful interests and fruitful returns from those property. And even if you were planning to purchase a property from a very long time, you are going to find the right aid, the right sources, the right monetary help that you wanted in order to go ahead and purchase these properties. So certainly for you, this is a good time. This is going to bring you a lot of success, a lot of prosperity, a lot of financial stability in your life. So certainly this time is going to prove to be very beneficial for you. All the goals that you had manifested, all the goals that you had planned, written down in your to-do list, in whatever you wanted to accomplish during this year, certainly you are going to see that all of those things are starting to come true. Now, when we talk about those who have moon in the Cancer zodiac, so that means that you are somebody who's a Cancerian through your moon sign. For you, how is this time period going to look? This time period firstly is going to be exceptionally brilliant for you, because moon firstly is placed in its own zodiac, which is Cancerian, and along with it now Jupiter is also going to impact you, because Jupiter is the planet which is exalted in the Cancerian zodiac. Now, this combination of Cancer, Jupiter and Moon is all over going to prove to be very, very beneficial for you. This is a very good Kuber Yoga, and Kuber being the Lord which governs wealth, and also Jupiter being the Lord, the planet which governs wealth. So both this combination in your horoscope certainly is going to bring a lot of fruitful changes and a lot of fruitful income gains, monetary gains that are going to come your way during this period of time. Other than that, people who are willing to, go abroad for studies, for education, or for any sort of work, you are likely to have those opportunities arise for you. You are likely to spend money on foreign travels. Specifically, if education is your goal in mind, then you will likely to have those opportunities where you can travel for better education. During this period of time, you are going to feel rather optimistic than usual, and all the things that you set your mind to, they are definitely going to come true, and they are going to prove to be very, very beneficial for you. There's something that you have to be a little careful about during this period of time, which is your health, because Jupiter being a planet which is very slow moving, it can have some adverse impacts on your health as well. So that is something that you have to be a little careful about. There's a possibility that you're spending a little money which is on your health, because you might have to go to the hospital or seek some advice from the doctors. So that is something that you will have to be a little careful about. Any minor inconvenience, even if you think that it is minor to you, could take a major turn in the time to come. So any inconvenience that you feel in your health, any way you feel uneasy, any sort of issues that you start feeling regarding your health physically or mentally, please go find the right help and go talk to the doctor, so that you are able to spot what is an issue at the right time and do not let the issue escalate. Other than that, what I can say is that, especially in terms of your education, your finances, your career opportunities, your traveling, this time period is going to be very, very fruitful. For the people who have been planning on conceiving a baby from a very long time, or if you were having issues regarding children, be it your current communications with your children, or if somebody was planning to have a baby from a very long time, all of these desires regarding your children are likely to get fulfilled during this period of time. So parents who are willing to be parents, couples who are willing to be parents now, people who are already parents but are facing issues with their children, all of those sort of issues are likely to get over now. So certainly this is a good period of time even in that aspect. even if you are somebody who's not married right now but are looking to find the right partner for yourself, or if you are already in a relationship, you are likely to take the next step and get married, or the talks about marriage are likely to start within your family. Your relationship with your spouse or your partner is definitely going to look up. Your love life is going to be doing excellently well. For people who are either in business or in the job sector, in both the areas, you are going to see a good rise of opportunities coming your way, which will certainly give you a lot of good monetary benefit. And also in general, you're going to see that people around you are going to have immense respect for you during this period of time. You're likely to get associated to certain opportunities or certain aspects in your life, which is going to bring you a lot of recognition and fame for the kind of work that you do. So these are certain things that are going to impact your life during this period of time. And this change of Jupiter, this transit of Jupiter into the Taurus zodiac certainly is looking very good for you if you are somebody who is either a Cancerian ascendant rising, or if your moon sign is a Cancerian. So in either of the aspects, for you, this time period is going to be very fruitful, very helpful and good for you. So I hope that you enjoy this time to the fullest and grab and grasp all the good opportunities that are coming your way in terms of your finance, your career and your love life. I hope that you did enjoy the video today. If you did like the video today and if you found the video useful, please feel free to share with your friends and family so that even they can know and understand how this Jupiter transit after 12 years is going to impact their life in a very significant manner. On my channel, I now have already uploaded videos regarding this Jupiter transit, how it is going to impact your life if you're either an Aries, or if you are a Taurian, or if you are a Gemini, or if you are a Cancerian. All of these zodiacs have been covered on my channel, and I will be coming back with more such videos. So stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, so that you can keep a track on the other videos also that I keep sharing on my channel, and keep sending your love and support my way like you have been. I will be coming back with more such videos. My name is Savi Singh. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and a Vastu consultant, and may you all have a very nice day. Namaskar.